Hey students, this is Professor Vishwajit Gaike once again welcomes you in this formatting guideline sessions. In this video, we are going to add some figures and tables into the document. Then we need to add the captions, and the last and the most important thing, we need to create an automated list for the same. So let's start. So we are here at the document right now. So we need to add some table. So we have added a table and now we need to caption the table. So what we need to do, at every top left corner of any diagram or any table, you will get this crosshair. Just need to click it and you will have the options when you are clicking the left button on the mouse. But while clicking on the right side button, you will have totally different menus. And in that menu, third last option is insert captions, and this is the important thing we need to consider. We have multiple settings for the caption. First and foremost, caption name, sample. We can change the label. There are different types of labels like equation, figure, source and table. So this is our table, so we will select table. Then we have two different options, position of the caption. So either it could be above or below. There is a big advantage to select above selected item options, that if you want to mention the source of table, you have a complete bottom side available every time. But whenever you are considering a below selected item options, there will be some clumsy area there with the name of caption as well as source. So quite confusing at that time. So majorly we prefer to select the caption location above the actual figure or actual table. So we will select above selected item, then we will click OK. As you can clearly see, our caption has been added. So now let's create different table on different page. We will add one more table. Same procedure we need to repeat. Right click, insert caption, sample table, above, OK. It will save lots of your time. First and foremost, you need to get the settings perfectly for first table, and then the software will remember that settings and will be carried forward for future tables. If you are making mistake in the first table, you need to edit all the tables captions what we have said before. Okay. That was for the table. Now let's create the list of tables automatically. I need my list of tables just below this table of content. So I am clicking over here. Now I need to go to references. In the caption section, we have insert table of figures. Whenever you are clicking on that, there is a different dialog opens. And here you have table of contents we have already selected and edited and already published on our document. Then we have table of figures and table of authorities. So we need to select table of figures, and here we need to select a caption label table. Whichever label you are mentioning over here, only that list is being shown. So now I have selected caption label table. So list of tables will be published here, and what will be the formatting like this, you will get all the details with the page number automatically. So that is the beauty of MS Word. By clicking the same thing, you will get table, sample table, table, sample table 2, and now I need to change the name, caption name here, already published. Okay, I have changed the caption, and I expect that table of tables, index of tables should also consider this thing. So what we need to do, we just need to go here in the references tab and click on update table. The same notification will be here, and you just need to click on entire table and click OK, and you can see that your caption has been renamed in the list of tables as well. So we need to format it well. So list of tables, and this could be like okay. So this is bit magical because whichever page number you have selected, it is already there. So what if I change the table from this page to another one? The word will automatically detect that the page number has been changed for this table, and it will definitely give the new page number in the table. Every time before printing, you just need to check whether it is having updated list or not. Moving forward, we need to add some figures. So let's jump in and add some figures. We are again into the insert tab, and here we are going to add some process table. I'll select this one. Okay, it has been added, and now the same thing happens here as well. So whenever you are here, just press the right click, go to insert caption, and now while selecting label, this is not a table, so you need to select figure. So this will be captioned as figure number 1. If you are selecting table, you will clearly see that it is considering it as table number 2, as it is just below the table number 1. Table number 1 is here. But whenever you are selecting different label as a figure, it is the first figure which the computer has detected. So it is mentioning figure 1. As you can clearly see, figure number 1 has been entered here, sample process figure. Same thing, we are going to add another figure here, insert. Now here we will be adding a hierarchy. In the hierarchy, we will select this one. Okay, once again right click, insert caption, then we have figure. Already it has detected one figure, so now it has labeled this one as the figure number 2. This is hierarchy. So we need to process, and now we have figure with the caption. Let's jump in once again to the page of formatting, and here we will be adding our list of figures. And as you can clearly see, I am jumping back to the references, captions, and here we need to add, insert the table of figures. And this time I am considering caption label as figure only, so it will give a list of figures, and as you can clearly see, we have got our figures listed over here with the respective page numbers. So this is a real magic of MS Word, and hope you have enjoyed this video. You learned something which is to be getting applied in your project report. In case you have any doubts, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. This is Professor Vishwajit Gaike signing off from vishwajit.org.